Yeah, he's gonna.
No, you don't have to.
G'day guys, Luke here. Welcome back to another video. What we have here, guys, is another beautiful diamond python. Earlier tonight we found a little baby, or yearling roughly. Now the scientific name is Claudia.
Amaralius spilota.
I'll type it up in the down the bottom corner here. Now these guys get about 2 meters long. These guys will have a clutch of about 20 to 30 eggs. Now it's like I said, very pretty little diamond python. So a big battle scar there. Don't know what's going on there, but it's healed up nicely. Like every reptile, they shed their skin. Now these guys are found from about half up the coast in New South Wales, all the way down to Victoria. There's different subspecies of the carpet python family. So you've got your jungle carpet pythons, you've got your Murray darlings, and there's a few other species as well I won't mention. Now these guys at this size will probably take medium-sized mammals, reptiles, and as they get bigger they will take bats, birds, bigger mammals and bigger reptiles. Now these guys will fall prey towards the lace monitors and large goannas usually. Birds of prey will eat their eggs and also their young. But yeah, so these guys are also mainly top of the food chain, but they do get taken up as well. But yeah, very nice little diamond python. Take some photos of him and we'll let him go on his way.